Hi, we're Joe and James from Sustain Nutrition, and we're going to talk to you about our service.
Yeah, so Sustain is a super simple way to improve your health through your nutrition and to help you lose weight. So a lot of people get caught up with the complexities of loads of different plans and loads of different ideas. So we've created something that's loads easier to follow, because the easier something is to follow, the more likely people are to kind of keep doing it.
So we work with our clients via coaching. So everyone needs a starting point. So what we do is we give you a set of parameters, or you choose a set of parameters to build your meals around, and then we work with you from there towards your goals.
Yeah, so these commandments, our 10 commandments, are there to advise you on the things to eat and advise you on the things that you shouldn't avoid, that you should avoid. This doesn't mean that you can't eat anything or that you're massively restricted. Our goal is to make sure that people are just in control of their decisions. So a lot of the time people eat things that are high calorie out of habit. So the issue that you've got is they're having all of these high calorie foods that are stopping them achieving their goals, and they're not actually getting anything in return for it. So for example, a meal out with your partner or your parents or something like that is an opportunity, an example where you should be able to eat whatever you want. But there's loads of examples where people are eating high calorie foods and they don't achieve their goals. And these are the things we're trying to change, and that's why we try to work on your habits.
So the system works by you send your food login via either Facebook Messenger or by email to your coach each night, and then the next day your coach will go through your food, evaluate it and give you feedback, what to work on, what you did well, what you might want to improve on, and what you need to be conscious of moving forward.
Yeah, so it's loads more than just a score. So you get a score out of 10, but then alongside that is the coaching and the support and the problem solving that everybody needs. When you're accountable to your decisions, you're loads more likely to change the way you act. So we all see this kind of day to day. You know that if you have to report your food every day, it changes the way that you think, and you're much more likely to eat well and to follow the system. And it's that pressure and that accountability that really makes Sustain successful.
So as opposed to just being given a simple nutrition plan of eat this, this and this at certain times, working with your coach gives you much more freedom of the foods that you want to eat, and also enables you to take ownership of the choices you make, and then we can make tweaks from there. So work with your coach each day, he'll be able to put the plan around you, as opposed to you kind of trying to stick to something that's not normal for you or too far out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, exactly. So many people come thinking that they just need a plan or they just need something to follow. But in our massive experience, having been personal trainers and working through Sustain, it's just not the case, and people can't follow it long term, and that's why we came up with Sustain. And this is the thing, our ethos and our ethics are so important to us that we don't want to be associated with quick fixes or gimmicks, so we're not going to make false promises that you can change kind of overnight. But if you follow our system and you follow the things we've just described, then you've got a good chance of making real progress that lasts.
Yeah, so that's the difference of working with a coach. You get the support, you get the accountability, but then you get the very, very personalised feedback of making this plan fit around you, your abilities, and the situations that you're in. So if you have a weekend away coming up, or if you always go out for meals at a certain time, we can come up with strategies to keep you on plan and get you to your results.
Thank you very much for listening. If you've got any questions, then just drop us a message and we'll get back to you from there. Thank you.
Thank you.